Ahoy, howdy and welcome. I'm Wanderin Jim, this is the Mobile Atrocity, and today we're going to have a look into a game called Sonic-2, Sonic Boom. It's literally just Sonic Dash. I don't know how many of these tickets I have, but we're going to do it now. I mean, it looks pretty good, so we got that going. It looks good, it responds well. My only beef with it is literally the same game as we saw before. As we saw before on the original Sonic Dash. Except now Sonic Boom, except now everybody's gotten using their Sonic Boom skins. I don't understand that. Like, personally, I like the cartoons, but irregardless of how you feel about it, regardless of how you feel about it, Sonic Boom was still a very much failed project. Why would you do anything based on it? I don't know. Dang. You probably noticed that you may have noticed the red star ring thing. I don't know what they call it in the games anymore. You need those and you need to collect those in order to unlock other characters. Of course, this is a Sonic Boom universe, so that list isn't really super extensive like it is, say, in the standard Sonic the Hedgehog world. I'm just going to stop here. No, I don't want to revive. Run. Run, Sonic. Tails, run. And we're done. No.
And what for? 071 G52.
There. What? No. I didn't want to do that. I want to quit. Yes. There. There we go. Thank you. Now, your list isn't super extensive. For starters, I was able to get a hold of Amy. I'm not really sure why Tails is locked behind level 8. I mean, he seems like he should have been there at least as the second available, like Sonic. Second available. I mean, it's Sonic and Tails. He's the next legendary. He would be the next most iconic one. Also, Vector is a playable character. I mean, I don't hate Vector, but really? Why not Silver the Hedgehog or Blaze the Cat? Is Vector the next most popular character behind Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, and Shadow? I want somebody in the comment section, please let me know. Anywho, that's Sonic Dash 2. It's pretty much Sonic Dash. To which case, just play Sonic Dash. You have all of your favorites, plus Silver the Hedgehog, Blaze the Cat. I believe Espio was made available. Of course, Vector is there too. I think classic Sonic's of it in there. I mean, yeah, just play the original. Not that this is bad, it's actually pretty good, but why not play the original? Anyhow, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button. If you wish to see more stuff like this, then you should subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon to notify you when new videos go up. I'm Wanderin Jim. This has been the Mobile Atrocity, and I hope you all have a super happy day.